In the beginning, I was a truck driver. In 1975, I drove truck for about 11 years. Then I started a trucking company. We had about 20 trucks, and we delivered freight from San Diego to Bakersfield in California. We delivered all the freight at night, so the trucks would only run at night. And in the daytime, they sat. So we had these trucks and trailers sitting in the daytime. And one day I just looked out the window and I saw all these trucks sitting there with nothing to do. So I thought, let's start a school and use the trucks for the school in the daytime, and we'll deliver freight with them at night. And that's actually how we got started with the truck school. In 1993, I came up to Visalia. 4 years later, we opened up in another campus in Fresno. 2 years ago, we opened up in Merced. So we've been up here since 1993, and we have the 3 campuses, one here, one in Fresno, and one in Merced. 9 years ago, we started a welding program. So we offer the welding here in Visalia and in Fresno.
We had been for years and years been a truck driving school. As we were looking to grow and expand, we were looking at careers that really were viable careers that could be really something that individuals could be successful with.
The program's been running for a little under 10 years. We started off here in Fresno. Started off there very small, just a couple of students. 7 years after that, we opened up in Visalia, was able to grow there. And just recently, we've opened up our new shop.
Our goal is to help the student achieve their goal, and that's to find a job.
Which is very important, vitally important for longevity within the industry. And if that's what we're looking at longevity for these individuals, a career, not just a job.